I was going through some old video, maybe like a month and a half old or so, of some drone footage I shot up in Jaco. And this footage was the last footage I shot with my old drone that kind of, it lost connection with my tablet, so I couldn't really, I lost control of the, the camera, and I couldn't make the little adjustments I needed to make, so I was kind of flying blind. But I was really fascinated with the water, the waves coming in, the way they were kind of pulsating, so that's kind of what the theme is. But what I remember most about this was my drone was attacked by a pair of Scarlet Macaws. And I saw them flying towards my drone, and I'm like, I thought maybe it's just coincidence they're just headed in that way, but no, they're pretty aggressive. So I had to kind of do some evasive maneuvers, and I couldn't see what was going on my tablet. If a bird attacks you and you're flying a drone, your best course of action is to go up, because it's harder for a bird to accelerate going up. So I avoided the Scarlet Macaw, but in looking at the footage, I saw that there was one point where they were pretty close to my drone. There's just like a few frames where one of them you could really you could see him up close. Fortunately, we did not collide, because that wouldn't have been good for the bird, and it wouldn't have been good for me, and so we avoided that. There's also some footage of one of them flying off in the distance for a short period of time. So it was kind of an interesting little episode. Enjoy this short bit of footage from Jaco here on Costa Rica Story.